Welcome back. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to make these buttons do something here. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click, and we have the goal blocks in here. What we need to do is, since we copied it, it's going to be all these buttons here are in the are in the block here. So I'm just going to move them out first of all. And we can, once we add more buttons in here, so we're going to go button play again. And actually, we're going to go to touch. And then it's going to be on touched object. And that object is going to be button play again. So what we need to do is reset all of the global variables. Now, it's going to be a little bit interesting if we do it this way, because the score best will also get reset. So what you have to do is you have to reset all of your global variables manually, and in that case we're going to have to put cycle number, and I'm just going to put that back up to 9 here. So we got cycle number, and then pretty much that's the only one we have to do here, and score. Yeah, cycle number and score. So resetting can actually take quite a bit of time here, so we're going to put cycle number back to 9, because remember, we've counted it down. And then the same thing here is going to be for score, and then we're going to say score. All right, so we're going to make that equal to 0, and there we go. And what we're also going to do is we're going to go to layout, and this layout is of course going to be game screen. Okay, and actually I was a little bit premature of setting this up here. Let's go ahead and let's kind of just play this here. And what should happen here is everything should work out quite nicely. And then we're almost there. 10 seconds. And it's a good time to actually play your game too, just in case you pick up any bugs while you enter this in here. Okay, so game over, score, and then we need to have the best score functionality here. And you can see that everything gets put up the way it is. So let's add in that best score functionality. And so I'm going to go to System, and we're going to go on Start of Layout, and we're going to say System set value of best score, or score best, to simply score. Okay, but you're thinking, and some of you already know this, but if, for example, we're going to have to add another condition in here. So we're going to say condition, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on this and push the C button for condition, or you can do a sub condition, which will go below it, but we're just going to push C for condition, and we're going to say system if score best is less than score. So if on the starter layout is score best is less than score, we're going to set score best to score. So score has to be higher. So let's go ahead and let's run that here. And so let's just go and play the game. Should be pretty simple here, and not too complicated, just like this. And there we go, and we got one more of these to do. Perfect. And we're just going to go ahead and move this in here, and there we go. And you can see that the best score is 15. Now if I play this again and I go through all the cycles, and my score is less than 15, then it won't set the best score there. I'll see you in the next tutorial.